The following is a special weather statement for the following counties in South Carolina, Marion, and thunderstorm warning for southeastern Florence County in northeastern South Carolina, north central Georgetown County in northeastern South Carolina, Horry County in northeastern South Carolina, central Marion County in northeastern South Carolina, northeastern Williamsburg County in northeastern South Carolina, until 1:45 p.m. At 12:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Gresham, or 14 miles south of Marion, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Myrtle Beach, Conway, Myrtle Beach Airport, Socastee, Red Hill, Springmead Pier, Horry, Loris, Johnsonville, Pamplico, Hemingway, Hickory Grove, Homewood, or Georgetown Technical College Conway Campus, Adrian, PD Crossroads, Poston, Britton's Neck, Nixonville, and Rains. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and slash or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. Nearly continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Florence,